racing fans, RC fans, racing 393, back here for another video. And today I'm going to do a demonstration and an opinion video of I've got a couple of these drones. They're called the Falcon Drone, one in white and one in black. They are for sale. I like to say that right up front, they are mine. I've bought them to sell, and they are for sale on my eBay shop. But this is by no means a video to make you go there and bid or buy them. They're on buy nows. It's up to you whether you do or not. This is just an opinion video. I'm not trying to persuade you to go there. I'm just giving you what I think. Not being a drone expert, but from a sort of a layman's point of view, how I feel these drones perform and how they're built. So, as you can see there, these are Falcon Drone. This is in white, and you can see by the picture they fold up. These sort of the four arms that come out fold away, so it can be a compact. And it's also got a camera on the front. I'm just going to sort of turn the box around a little bit so I can see. I don't know if I can read that from here. Actually, I can read it from there. So it's got a couple of cool features which I'll go through. So I've just mentioned the first one. The four arms that come out where the props are, they fold away nicely. It can actually hold itself, which I will demonstrate to you. It can have it like a hover. So you can flick a switch or push a button, whichever it is. I think it's a button actually, and it just sits there and hovers. Apparently it's got a sensor on it which will follow you. I'll go back to more detail with that a little bit later. So apparently it will, if you walk along with it behind you, it will follow where you're going, which is pretty neat. It's got I'm just trying to read on here, but I can't actually see it for myself. Let me just move the box over a little bit so you can still see the picture. I don't want to get too close. A key to return, so it flies off out of range. It flies, and you've lost sight of it. You can push a button, and it will come back to you. It's got dual cameras and the battery to charge it with. So I kind of apologise a bit. I'm sort of reading off the instructions. I've had these a while actually, and I haven't really promoted them. I keep forgetting I've got them. So we're going to take a look at the drone itself. So as you can see, this is the drone itself. It's probably about the size of a large dinner plate, the sort of circumference around, if you draw a circle around it, so it's reasonably large. As you can see there, it's got a camera at the front. Underneath, it's obviously where the sensors are and where it can land and where it can sit. And in the back there is just where the battery goes. The battery is currently on charge. So it's a reasonably simple design. Looks a bit spiderish or a bit futuristic. I'm fascinated by these. I really am. And on top there is the as you can see, I'll just move a bit closer. That's kind of the on-off switch. You just push that down. It's only like a touch pad underneath a sort of a printed circuit board there. Let me just put that. Just move the drone out the way for a second. And we've got the hand controller here. So it's simply got the right stick is proportionate. The left stick is also proportionate, And we've got some buttons on top where we can take pictures and play them. And we've also got some other buttons here. Stop, can't read that. And there's another one there which also I can't read. There's another control there which I'll go into. Actually, that's really small. If I put it close to the camera, anyone with a decent set of eyes can sort of look at that. Here is where you could put your smartphone under there, and you can probably see what the drone sees. And this just needs, from memory, 3. So 3 AA batteries, which are not included. So fairly simple, not much to it, but probably more impressive when it's actually in use. So what we'll do now is we'll stick a battery in it and we'll give it a test. Hello sim fans, race fans, RC fans, Racing 393, and today I'm just going to demonstrate to you a drone. It's my Falcon drone. Now, well, at the beginning of the video I sort of went over a few options that this drone has. I must admit, a lot of it I hadn't heard of, but what I'll do is I'll briefly demonstrate some of the attributes this has, some of the features. So first off, I'll get it started. You can buy these on my eBay store. Let's get it started. Hang on a second. Maybe not like that. Note to self, don't use drones indoors. Try again. So, the drone is running and we can fly it around. It is indoors, I've got to be very careful. You can go left and right, and then if you look we can go back, up and down obviously, or we can spin round. And the other way. Go forwards, left and right. The other thing we can do is I'm going to show you my screen on my phone, and that there is my phone kind of filming below the drone. So there's the drone. So it gives you some idea of what I'm doing, which is quite interesting. I'm trying to keep it in camera shot as well. Here we go. It's facing us now. Woo! As I lost control. I'm no good at drones, by the way, but it's perfectly fine. So that's my demonstration of how not to fly a drone. However, this does work, and you can buy it on my eBay store if necessary. These are great fun. I'm fascinated by this, even if I can't fly them. But anyhow, I'll put a link in the description, and you can go from there. It's fully proportionate. It does follow. You can put it onto, so it senses where you are and follows you, but you've got to be within 2 meters. A lot of these outdoor features require you to be 2 meters from the drone. So just put that down. So I'll just turn it off. Button on top. There we go, keep pressed. That's turned off. The power button's on there as well. So I'll just turn that off quickly whilst trying to. That's it. So it's a bit impromptu. You can see the camera there. If I turn it over, I don't know if you can see that, daylight. There's the camera. So this was sale. I've got another one which is in black. This is new. I've literally only taken it out of the box to try it. There's no damage. There's a few spares with it, a couple of blades, tools. This battery is fully charged on the white one, so it should be fine. And it's made by Falcon. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And good luck. Bye for now.